Ever wondered why people make the choices they do? What drives someone to save diligently, while another spends extravagantly? Or why some individuals are drawn to high-risk activities, while others prefer a quiet evening at home? Introducing the concept of rational choice theory, a fascinating lens through which to view human behavior. This theory suggests that every decision made by an individual is based on an attempt to maximize personal advantage while minimizing loss. Essentially, it's all about weighing the benefits against the risks. Picture this. When deciding whether to buy a new smartphone or save the money, a person evaluates the pleasure and utility of owning the latest technology against the satisfaction and security derived from saving that amount. The choice that offers the most personal satisfaction, considering all factors, is the one they're likely to make. But here's the twist. Human behavior isn't just about cold calculations. Emotions play a critical role too. Ever felt a rush when buying something on impulse? That's your emotional response temporarily outweighing rational cost-benefit analysis. Moreover, social influences significantly shape our decisions. Peer pressure, cultural norms, and societal expectations can steer choices in directions that might not always align with personal cost-benefit calculations. For instance, buying a popular brand of sneakers, not because they are the best value for money, but because they are a status symbol in one's social circle. So, how do we apply this understanding? By recognizing the factors influencing decisions, from personal benefits to emotional and social pressures, we can better understand not only our own choices, but also those of others around us. Whether it's in personal relationships, business negotiations, or understanding societal trends, grasping the basics of psychological theories like rational choice theory can provide valuable insights. To summarize, human behavior is a complex interplay of rational decision-making, emotional responses, and social influences. Understanding these layers helps us navigate the world more effectively and empathize better with others.